Yeah, well, on this blessed Friday, let us give thanks for stuff and things.
What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for your patience while I've been doing this big move, swapping bedroom, hobby room, and creating this space that I'm in now. Some of you may have been following along, some of you may not even care. But I'm done. I've got it all moved in. As you can see, we're back into production stage, and I am ready to start building. This is out here on the desk because I had to do some repairs. This was one of my this was the first ever scratch build I did. Junk box parts and made a trailer. It's pretty neat. I mean, it worked okay. It holds up on, a model will sit on it, but it was one of the things that got completely destroyed during the move. So pretty nominal, totally acceptable. Got a couple stash ads. I'm not going to bother going through and unboxing them because, we've all seen what's inside of that and what's inside of that and maybe what's inside of that. I don't know. We'll see. I've got some ideas. Got some kit bash ideas. These were all another tip and trick from HobbyLink. These were all on sale, marked down. I didn't just go out and splurge, go, yeah, I want to buy a monster truck kit that's 20 years old or whatever. They were marked down substantially, enough to make it totally worthwhile. I would suggest that you go sign up for their emails. You get notifications all the time about what's cheap, what's sale, what's available, what's being closed out, etc. Not sure what I want to do this one. I have some ideas. Kind of depends on what's inside of it. I'm going to take a look at the truck and the chassis. I'd like to do another Silverado like the one I just did, and maybe more of a street truck, pro stock, big giant motor, and then we'll use the chassis for something else. Do something cool. Maybe not necessarily that, but we'll see. And then this Type 2 van, I'll put a couple pictures up here of my inspiration reference. The Firebus. It's an actual, it was an old fire department bus that they converted into a dragster. And yeah, you know what that sound is. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to take some of my 3D printed stuff, the Volkswagen motors, and get into this one. Dragster Volkswagen bus. So again, I'm not going to bother opening them, boring you with that kind of nonsense. Just kind of a quick, just going off camera. I'm walking down the hall. Oh my gosh, too much to fit. Too much, it won't fit. These were, I already did a video on these, the score I got from Fish Tweet Marketplace, but they're some of the upcoming build ideas that I have. This one's got a really cool wide body kit that I want to put on it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I really don't. Not a big rig fan, but we'll see. And then this guy, I know there's another release coming of it, but it was really cheap. It's been started well, but this is another kit bash idea I have in mind. And then, whatever, a couple other kits. This one, it's not complete. It's just got the truck. It doesn't have a beater car, and it's been started, but started well. So those are, quite a big stack there. I've fallen behind. Wow, what a big project this was. Just nightmare. Absolute nightmare. I don't know what I was thinking, but it did not go as smoothly as I wanted it to at all. And again, thank you for your patience and following along. I lied. I'm going to peek into this and see what's inside of it. I'm curious. I just want to see what the engine component part looks like. because this is probably going to be one of the first things I jump into. That Renault, the rally cars one. Oh wow, very cool, very cool indeed. Yeah, it's got a closed hatch there. Might be a total curbside. Yes. Oh well, it's got an engine bottom. So okay, I'll have to cut that cross member out probably and save it. But all right, so it's got a place where one wheel should go. That won't be hard. Very cool. I'm thinking I don't have the flat 6, but I do have the flat 4 with the Pro Turbo setup, and then some big drag wheels. I'll put it out. I'll clip up here. That fire bus just hooking. Oh. Enjoy.